So tell us a little more about your experience here at the Aphasia Center. What did you work on at the Aphasia Center?
This time I worked on details, organization, and vocabulary, and summarizing and structure, and my speech in general. And the last time I worked on word finding, which is much improved since then. I was practicing writing emails and my work related vocabulary.
What made you choose to come back here?
Um, the realness of Dr. Lori and the therapist, and Dr. Lori has perfected a great program.
What specific skills have you learned at the Aphasia Center?
I learned how to include more details and better organize my speech and writing, and my ability to summarize information and use vocabulary has much improved. And overall, my speech and reading and writing have gotten a lot better.
Would you recommend this program to others?
Yeah, and Dr. Lori and the therapist are truly understanding and real and special.